Scotty, what are you doing down there?
I am putting on the last clamp for the radiator. Or the radiator.
Nice. And you've got your coupling and extension there.
Yep.
Fantastic. So that's pretty much there. The gasket just showed up, so I can.
Yeah, literally less than 5 minutes ago.
So I can change the thermostat, and then this is ready to put coolant in.
Yep.
What is it you're working on with the condenser?
Okay, so what we originally thought was going to be the easiest route to go was to center our holes here and here, so that we're right inside the bracketry.
Yeah.
We're just inside the radiator, and we're going to put the push pieces through.
Yeah.
With the felt pad so that we don't damage the radiator. And I can get my hands in places like this.
Yes.
And work. With this one,
that's why he's popular on the weekends too.
Yes. That's why I charge more on the weekends.
Wait, what?
Ba-dum-bum.
You
So, that being said, we can't because I can't actually, surprisingly enough, I can't get my hand in someplace. Which, that's a rarity. All on its own. So, I have to rearrange some of the brackets to do what I need it to do so that we can mount this completely and make it permanent.
I see.
So, the bottom braces were supposed to go flush up against the main support down here. Well, I can't do that because I can't get them in properly. So there's a hole elongated on this portion here and this portion here on the bracket. So I have to take my brackets off. Yeah, I think you can see if you...
There you are. Yep, look at that.
Okay, so I have to put them through and in so that I can drill through to put the bolt through.
So it has support.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So it's add more.
Nice.
So I'm lowering these to get this taken care of.
Lots of work, dude.
Yep. But it's okay. I mean, the customer is absolutely amazing. He stopped by today.
Yeah, we saw Kyle this morning. It was fun.
So I got to get a different wrench.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
Oh.
Would you like a hand?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Got to get out of the heat. It's too much.
All right, so.
I mean, I'm
a little bit of just
completely drenched.
Soaked.
So I think I'm going to get the last bit of the brackets done and end my day.
Okay. So when Scotty does that, I'll do the thermostat, and then the hoses are done. I can put coolant in it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this to be supported first before I do any further. I've got to get that taken care of.
So have the supports in. That'll be done. I can finish off.
Yep. And I brought the wiring up for the positive, the red. You can see it right there.
Yes.
So that's up. So you'll be able to start. We can start figuring that out. So where we're going to mount everything.
Beautiful. Alrighty, Scotty, get that done quick and then go rest. You've been here since 6. And it's 12:20, and you know.
Yeah.
Senior
as the weather kind of does this and levels,
you get better.
I'm getting better.
Senior citizens still shouldn't be working this hard.
Got to pay the bill somehow. I don't see there ain't no ring on my finger with someone paying my bills.
And they kicked you off the last corner you were on.
This is true. So I had to go to the other side of the street, and somebody stole that one from me when I wasn't working one day. It's like, what the hell? You can't keep any corners to yourself anymore. Ba-dum-bum.
Remember that time you told me you came back with $100.50? And I asked you which cheapskate paid you 50 cents, and you said all of them?
Yep.
Boy, was your ass tired.